In this lesson, we'll review how to identify private insurance companies you may want to work with and research key information online. After the lesson, you'll be able to explain the reason for conducting an insurance survey at your clinic and identify 2 common terms you'll need when looking at an insurer's website. If your health department has never billed private insurance before, you'll need to identify which payers you're likely to do the most business with. That is, what insurance do most people who use your clinic have? A simple way to do this is conduct a survey of all your clinic patients over a 30-day period, asking them what kind of insurance they have. Feel free to adapt this sample available in the downloadable job aid, A Sample Clinic Insurance Survey. You can explain to patients that completing the survey will help your clinic continue to serve patients with private insurance. Be sure to offer the survey in both English and Spanish. At the end of 30 days, sort the paper surveys by the patient's insurance payer. Then count how many of each payer you received. The insurance payer with the most responses should be your priority for initiating a new private insurance contract. To help you through the process, you can print out the downloadable job aid evaluating your insurance survey results. This will walk you through the steps and make sense of your results when you're ready to do your own survey. After you determine which insurance companies you want to establish contacts with, you'll want to become familiar with each company and its policies. The companies shown here are examples. You may be dealing with other companies in your local jurisdiction. Before you call, it's a good idea to check out their company website. Your objective will be to look for information for prospective contractors, including their local phone and email contacts. Most of the time, you can find the information you need by going to a tab for either contracts or provider relations. Now let's look at a sample insurance company website, in this case, Anthem Blue Cross. From their homepage at anthem.com, select Providers. Then, in the center of the Provider page, select California from the drop-down menu. Now, from the California Provider page, select the tab at the top that says Contact Us. Here you see Anthem's contact information. Once you've located this, it's a good idea to bookmark the page or print and save it for future use. Now, please follow the instructions to take the quiz for this lesson. It will look familiar. It's the same one you took before viewing the lesson. This time you'll be able to see correct answers as you respond to demonstrate what you've learned. After you've completed the quiz, you may continue at your own pace to view subsequent lessons at your convenience. The lessons are ordered, so you'll build your knowledge of each part of the billing process that relates to your role. When you finish all the lessons, you'll be able to print out a certificate of completion to reward your efforts. Thanks for your attention. Please continue on to the quiz.